Let's discuss NG tube insertion and removal, a vital skill for nursing students and professionals. Stay tuned for the NCLEX RN exam tips at the end of this video. Let's define nasogastric tubes, or NG tubes. It is a flexible tube. Nurses use it to drain air, fluid, or gastric contents, relieving nausea, vomiting, abdominal distension, or bowel obstructions. For guidance, here's the correct tract of insertion. The tube travels through the nasal passage into the nasopharynx, down the esophagus, and ultimately into the stomach. A blind insertion that must be verified carefully. Preparation. Before we start the insertion process, let's prepare important supplies first. We need the NG tube, non-sterile gloves, water-soluble lubricant, tape, stethoscope, syringe, pH paper, drape or towel, an MSS basin, and water with a straw. Measure from the nose to the earlobe to the xiphoid process and mark the tube. This estimates how far the tube should advance. Apply lubricant to the tube tip, insert gently along the nasal floor toward the back of the throat, and ask the patient to sip water to aid swallowing. Never ever force the tube. Step 4 is the placement verification. Confirm placement by auscultation, a whooshing sound when air is injected, and by aspirating gastric fluid to test acidity, which is usually a pH less than 5. Some settings may also require a chest x-ray for confirmation, as this is the most accurate. Once confirmed, secure the tube to the nose and gown to prevent displacement. Now, let's discuss the removal process. Verify the provider's orders, assess bowel sounds, and make sure your supplies, like a towel, syringe, fluids, and tissues, are ready. Before removal, clear the tube with a small air bolus. Instruct the patient to take a deep breath and hold to protect the airway, and gently withdraw the tube in one smooth motion. Offer tissues and mouthcare afterwards. For more helpful NCLEX RN tips, always confirm placement before use, pH, auscultation, or x-ray. Do not force the tube if resistance is felt. Reposition and retry gently. Measure properly with the nose earlobe xiphoid process method. Always remember to rotate the tube to ensure that there is no skin breakdown. Secure the tube to prevent migration or injury. Monitor for complications, coughing, desaturation, epistaxis, or misplacement risks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical information, and to really help you on your next exam.